Tesla, the leader in the electric vehicle industry. It was reported that the planned release of the low-cost model would be postponed. The market is paying attention to the background and future ramifications.
Reuters reported on the 18th that Tesla, led by Elon Musk, planned to release its low-cost electric vehicle model in the first half of this year. Could be delayed by at least 3 months. Citing 3 anonymous inside sources, Reuters reported that the release of Tesla's low-cost Model Y, a new car, codenamed E41, could be pushed back from the original plan of the third quarter of 2024 to early 2025 at the latest. However, the specific reason for the delay has not been disclosed. This low-cost Model Y was the core of Tesla's strategy to break away from its existing premium image and target more consumers. So this release delay is having quite a shock in the market. Reuters also reported that Tesla aims to produce 250,000 units of this low-cost Model Y annually in the United States starting in 2026. It added that production plans for the same model will also be promoted in China and Europe. However, Tesla has not yet made an official statement on Reuters' report. In fact, Tesla had already announced a kind of launch notice in its Q4 earnings report in January of this year, saying, "We are developing a low-cost new car with the goal of producing it in the first half of 2025. However, this report has forced investors and consumers to re-examine Tesla's schedule. The actual performance is also poor. In the first quarter of this year, Tesla's vehicle delivery performance was 336,681 units, a 13% decrease from the same period last year. This is the lowest quarterly performance since the second quarter of 2022. Experts point out that in addition to the simple price issue, CEO Elon Musk's political stance may have had a negative impact on some consumers as a cause of this poor performance. In addition, the delay in the release of new cars and the still high price range of vehicles are also major factors in the decrease in demand. Tesla's stock price is also falling. On the 18th, Tesla closed at $241.38 on the New York Stock Exchange, and its stock price has fallen by about 36% this year. Meanwhile, Tesla is scheduled to announce its first quarter earnings on the 22nd. The market is paying attention to what position CEO Musk will take at this meeting, and whether he will make specific comments about the release schedule for low-priced models.
The launch of a low-cost model was a gambit for popularization. As the clock is slowing down, attention is being paid to whether Tesla's strategy will also have a turning point.